Nakapag-Shell Cafe na nga ba lahat? Nag-trending kasi sila sa TikTok a few months back after opening their first ever Shell Cafe branch in Tagaytay, and here we are today, dumayo pa talagang SLEX just to check out their offerings sa recently opened branch. But the question is it really worth stopping for? Honestly, nagulat kami sa selection ng breads and pastries nila. May sausage roll, turnovers, ensaymada, donuts, and more, and meron ding selection ng pastas. Pero mas na-excite akong itry yung Frankfurters kasi ang dami nagsasabi na ang sarap daw. Ang laki din ng grocery area and pretty much complete, so pwede ka muna mamili before hitting the road. Pero kasi we came here to check out and rate the food and drinks sa cafe, so let's go! Huy, totoo nga yung chismis ah. In fairness, ang sarap ng Frankfurter. Firm texture, savory and juicy, tapos may subtle smoky taste. Na-expect ko talaga maalat eh, but thankfully it's not. Saktong-sakto lang. Yung pepperoni pizza, okay naman. Medyo nakulangan lang ako sa tomato sauce and cheese, but not bad for its price. Isa pa sa mga nag-stand out for us is their corned beef pandesal. Ibang level kasi halatang quality corned beef yung